Good morning, students. I hope your exams went well. Now we are going to start our syllabus, and today we are going to read chapter 4 from First Flight book, and the chapter name is From the Diary of Anne Frank. Children, just look at this picture. Can you recognize who this man is in this picture? Yes, you might be able to recognize him. He is Hitler, the ruler of Germany. During that time when Hitler used to rule over Germany, the people suffered a lot, especially the Jewish people suffered a lot because he hated them, he discriminated them, and he passed the order to kill them in concentration camps, and he had special force, special police to kill them. So during that time, Jewish people suffered a lot and they were treated harshly. They were discriminated. Aryans were considered superior, and they were forced to live in secret places because they wanted to save themselves. आपको पता होगा इतना उनके साथ बुरा व्यवहार किया जाता था. उनको कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कैंप में जहाँ पॉइजनस गैस होती थी वहाँ पे मार दिया जाता था. और फिर बेचारे ज्यूइश पीपल को क्या करना पड़ता था, उन्हें अपने आप को छुपा के रखना पड़ता था ताकि उनकी जान बच सके. सो ऐसे लोगों में देयर वाज वन फैमिली, दैट वाज अ ज्यूइश फैमिली, फ्रैंक family of Anne Frank. Let me tell you about this girl who has written a novel, and the novel name is The Diary of a Young Girl. Anne was born on 12 June 1929. She was born in Germany. She lived with her parents. Father name was Otto Henrik Frank. Mother was Edith Hollander, and the sister Margot. She was an elder sister. सो ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम अब एन फ्रैंक की फैमिली को एक ऐसी जगह पे छुप के रहना पड़ा करीबन 2 साल तक, ताकि वो अपनी हिटलर से जान बचा सकें, क्योंकि वो भी एक ज्यूइश फैमिली थी और उस टाइम पे आपको पता है कि ज्यूइश फैमिली के साथ कैसे ट्रीट किया जाता था, उन्हें मार दिया जाता था. सो हर फैमिली हैड टू लिव इन सीक्रेट प्लेस. लेट्स have an introduction. Anne Frank was a Jewish girl. She wrote a diary which was published as a novel later on, and it was World War II. That was a time of World War II when her family had to hide and they were living in a secret place. She kept writing every experience in her diary. जो कुछ भी बाहर हो रहा था या उनकी ज़िंदगी में हो रहा था, वो सब कुछ वो अपनी डायरी में लिखती रही. And then after her death, the novel got published, her diary got published, and it was published almost in 50 languages, and people got to know how the Jewish people suffered a lot during the Hitler reign. Anne got the diary as a birthday present on her 13th birthday, and she wrote all her feelings, the good feelings or bad feeling, everything she experienced, she kept writing in the diary. And she could easily express herself when she wrote diary, because when you spoke to someone, you have a feeling that the person might reveal your secret. But when you are writing in a diary, it's quite obvious that your diary would not reveal your secret. So एन को डायरी लिखना इतना पसंद था क्योंकि वो जो कुछ भी चाहती थी वो अपनी डायरी में लिख सकती थी बिना किसी हेजिटेशन के. During that time, Anne Frank's father was the only one who survived. The family died, and the only survival in her family, got the diary and he got it published. Let's read chapter. It's page number 50. Writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. Not only because I have written anything else before, but because it seems to me that later or neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old school girl. Oh well, it doesn't matter. I feel like writing. I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. Musings mean the thoughts or the experiences of her life. What the para says, the girl feels that it was a strange experience for her to write a diary. Why it was a strange experience for her to write a diary? There were two major reasons. One, it was her first time. She had never written a diary before. उसने पहले कभी डायरी लिखी नहीं थी, पहली बार वो डायरी लिखने वाली थी. और दूसरा रीज़न ये था कि उसकी डायरी पढ़ने में कोई भी इंटरेस्टेड नहीं होगा. इवन कोई और तो क्या, वो भी शायद अपनी डायरी दोबारा नहीं पढ़ना चाहेगी. तो दैट वॉज अ स्ट्रेंज एक्सपीरियंस कि मैं आखिर डायरी क्यों लिख रही हूँ. बट लेटर ऑन शी रियलाइज्ड दैट शी वुड राइट द डायरी. क्यों उसे मन था कि मैं डायरी लिखूँ? बिकॉज शी फेल्ट लाइक डूइंग सो, क्योंकि उसका मन था. एंड अनदर रीज़न वॉज दैट शी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ थॉट्स विच शी हैड बिन होल्डिंग. इस ऐसे बहुत सी बातें थी जो वो किसी को नहीं बता पा रही थी, तो उसका मन था कि वो अपनी डायरी के साथ शेयर करे. सो इट वुड बी बेटर टू टेल टू द डायरी rather than telling someone else. So she decided to write a diary because she wanted to tell all the secrets which she was hiding in her heart. She wanted to tell to her diary. In the next para on page number 50, she says,